Got a Huawei phone and wondering how to get all your favorite apps? Let me show you how in less than a minute. First up, Huawei App Gallery. It's already installed on your device and it's packed with over 2 million apps and games. Here's how easy it is. Open App Gallery in your phone, tap the search bar and type your favorite app, hit install, and you're done. Apps like TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, and thousands more are right there waiting for you. Now, I know what you're thinking. What if you want an app that's on Google Play but not on App Gallery? It's an easy fix. Download GBOX from App Gallery. It's a free tool that gives you access to Google Play right on your Huawei device. Just go to Settings, search Micro G, and allow the location all the time. Then search GBOX in App Gallery, install, then open it, allow all the permission, press and hold the Google Play Store, and create shortcut. Sign in with your Google account and browse Google Play like normal. Download any app you want, it's that simple. So with Huawei App Gallery's 2 million plus apps and GBOX for Google Play, you've got everything covered.